by NOR gate. So we know that if A and B are the two inputs of X NOR gate, then output will be X is equals to A X NOR B. This is the X NOR output function, and we know that X is equals to A X NOR B is equals to A dot B plus A complement dot B complement. This is the formula of the X NOR gate, two input X NOR gate. Now we have to modify these equations in accordance to the NOR functions. So we know that in NOR function there is only plus sign and complement sign. So we have to convert the dot sign into plus sign. For converting this dot sign into plus signs, we have to apply the De Morgan theory. Similarly, A complement dot B complement is converted into plus functions, so we have to apply the De Morgan's theory. We have used the double complement sign because the double complement vanishes each other. So now A dot B whole complement is equals to A complement plus B complement, because we know that in accordance to the De Morgan second theory, A dot B whole complement is equals to A complement plus B complement. So another complement, A double complement plus B double complement whole complement. Okay, now X is equals to A complement plus B complement whole complement plus A plus B whole complement. We know that in accordance to the Boolean algebra, A double complement is equals to A, because double complement vanishes each other. So A double complement is equals to A, B double complement is also equals to B. Now these functions follow the NOR functions. Only the first part follow the NOR function and the second part follow the NOR function. But we have to implement the whole functions into NOR functions. So we have to use another complement sign. We have to use another complement signs for representing the function into NOR functions. So this is the complement for the NOR functions, and we have to vanish these functions, NOR functions. So we have to use another complement sign. Now the total functions follow the NOR functions, because in NOR functions we know that if A and B are the two inputs of NOR gate, if A and B are the two inputs of a NOR gate, then the output will be A plus B whole complement. So in NOR functions, it is included in plus sign and complement sign. So in these equations, we have used that the plus and complement sign. Now implement these functions. Now implement this function by NOR function, NOR gate. Now implement this function by NOR gate only, by NOR gate only. So here is the two variable. So the first variable is for A and the second variable is for B. So first signal A signal and second signal is B signal. Now we have to make the complement sign by NOR gate. So now design a NOR gate. This is the NOR gate. So two inputs are connected, then it works as a NOR gate. So here is the output A complement sign. Similarly, for the B complement sign, we have to use the NOR gate. The output of the NOR gate is also the B complement sign. This is the B complement output. Now A complement plus B complement whole complement. So A complement plus B complement. This A complement plus B complement whole complement. A complement plus B complement whole complement. So we have to use the NOR gate. So here is the NOR gate. So NOR gate function is plus and complement. So A complement plus B complement whole complement. Similarly, A plus B whole complement. So signal line A and signal line B is signal line A and B are the inputs of a NOR gate. Then the output will be A plus B whole complement. And these two output is connected to another NOR gate. and the output of the NOR gate is connected to the last NOR gate, because for two double complement, here is the two double complement. For these two double complement, we have to use the two NOR function, NOR gates in the output. So this is the gate number 1, gate number 2, gate number 3, and gate number 4, gate number 5, and gate number 6. So we have used the 6 NOR gates to implement the XNOR functions.